Here's a certified 2014 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. E equals innovation into style. However, the formula for sporty luxury in this E-Class is anything but formulaic. The design is chiseled and confident. The cabin is elegant and sporty. The performance adds up to an unforgettable drive. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: external memory control, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, wireless phone connectivity, power telescoping steering column, V6 engine, hands-free liftgate, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Car and Driver reports the formerly flared rear fenders now appear more tight and toned, and the overall package displays a more cohesive and athletic look than did the previous car. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.